Everyone, once again, this is Hannah, and as I've promised you last week, I've posted on Facebook that we are preparing this famous song in the Philippines right now with the title "PAUBAYA" by Moira, and I invited here my students with me, Islom and Musin, to sing it with us. Introduce yourself first.
Hi everyone, my name is Alizoda Islam John. I am a Tajik. I am from Russian-Tajikistan, and now we will sing with Miss Hannah "PAUBAYA" song Filipino.
Hi to everyone, my name is Musin. I am from Tajikistan and from Dushanbe, and now I will sing with Miss Hannah one song.
Very good. So, hi to all the Filipinos out there, to all the Russians and Tajiks. This song is for you.
Saan nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako'y di na naging sapat? Ba't di mo sinabi nung una pa lang? Ako ang kailangan, pero di ang mahal. Saan nagkulang ang aking pagmamahal? Lahat ay binigay ng mapangiti ka lang. Ba't di ko nakita na ayaw mo na? Ako ang kasama, pero hanap mo siya. At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipili pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan kanya. Saan natigil ang pagiging totoo? Sa tuwing mababanggit na mahal mo ako, ba't di mo inamin na merong iba? Ako ang kayakap, pero isip mo siya. At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, di ko na pipili pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, huwag kang paluhain at alagaan kanya. Ba't di ko naisip na merong hanggan? Ako yung nauna, pero siya ang wakas. At kita naman sa iyong mga mata kung bakit pinili mo siya. Mahirap laban ang tinadhana, pinapaubaya. Hinapay
so much for watching. Basically, this song is all about the pain of moving on. It is when you really love someone, unfortunately, the person that you love found another one. And the greatest type of love is letting go. So if you want that person's happiness, go ahead and give the person his happiness that they deserve. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Hannah.
Islam.
And
Muhsin.
thank you. Bye-bye.